Hi all, welcome to ITpros official channel. Today we are going to see a simple example how to filter in Excel. Step by step tutorial. So what is the use of filter? Filter can be applied to sort and hide data. It makes data analysis easier. The filter menu can be accessed in Home tab. Here you can able to see sort and filter. So let's see an example in Excel. So just I have a two example, working example and a non-working example. First we can see the working example. Here I have a table. This is the table. In this table I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different columns. A column represents ID, B name, C type 1, D type 2 and E a total. So now I am going to apply a filter. Just select the first row column, then go to your Home tab and just select sort and filter menu. You can able to see here filter. Just you click on it. Then here you can able to see a new menu here, drop down in each column. So we can able to filter now based on this. Okay, now we can able to filter here. For example, in this type we can able to see grass, fire, water, bug, normal. Okay, I can able to filter based on this menu. Just you click on this menu and here you can able to see those values. Just I am going to filter which are bug, BUG. Just click on this BUG and click OK. So now the table is being filtered. Here you can able to see 1, then you can able to see 11, 12, 13 up to 16. From 1 to 10 rows are being hidden. Then here also we have hidden columns, hidden rows. So a filter is being applied in type 1 column for value bug, BUG. So next, for example, I am inserting the filter using select all, then I am saying okay. Now I am same thing I am applying type 1. Just click, then you select this button, then you select, I am going to select which are normal. Then you can able to see the values in the table which have type 1 value is normal. So again you can able to filter this in next level also. In the normal you can see as type 2 values are flying and there is a blank column, so blank values also, blank cells also. So now again I can able to filter another level. Just click on the type 2 menu and I'm going to see which having blank cells. Just you untick flying and click this blank and click OK. Now you can able to see the blank cells. To remove the filter, just you click again here auto on filter and you deselect the filter. Now you can able to see the full table. So this is a working table. There is a non-working example also. The same table is being given in non-working working example also, but you can see that first row is deleted. Here the first row is not available. Here the first row mention the column names, ID, name, type 1, type 2, total. So if you same thing I am selecting here in the first row and I am just applying filter. So now this value will be same here. This value will not be getting changed. For example, see, I am just the C column, I am just applying a filter and I am going to see which are normal. So I can able to see grass also here. So it is not a perfect method, it is a wrong method. So the first row should represent the table column values. So like this, the first row should have a column values. So the column values, we have to apply the filter like this, and we can able to do the filters. Like this we can able to do the filters. So next type 2, I am going to check which are blank columns. I have 2 blank columns. If I like this, you have to do filters. So thank you for watching how to apply and use filters in Excel. Thank you for watching ITpros official. Share and subscribe. Thank you.